Welcome back, welcome back. It is me, BrittReacts, and today we are reacting to Whose Line Is It Anyway? Sound effects, Jurassic Park. Let's see what they have to say.
Name, please?
Gloria.
Gloria, nice to meet you, Gloria. What's your name?
Diane.
Gloria and Diane, why don't you come on down here?
Audience participation.
Okay, Diane, this is your microphone. Stand right up here on this platform here. There you go, Gloria. Okay, what's going to happen? These guys are going to do a scene for us, and Gloria and Diane, you're going to do the sound effects for the scene.
Oh, they had no idea until just
Gloria, you're
now.
going to do the sound effects for Colin, and Diane, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan. It's really fun. You're going to have a blast. Here's the scene. Colin
Look at her
is
face.
the
She's like-
Scottish owner of Jurassic Park.
Scottish owner.
Scottish venture, was it?
Ryan is the scientist who realizes things are going terribly wrong. So you guys are doing the sound effects, Gloria and Diane. Take it away whenever you're ready.
Oh, Lord. What? He looked like he was pouring something, and now he's having to step out of a car. I have reacted to this game before, but I don't know if I knew the title of the game was sound effects. Anyway, this is hilarious. This is great. I love that the ladies like got up not knowing what they had to do. I'm not sure I'm that courageous.
You never know when you might have to get out of here quickly. Because we got trouble here in the park.
Oh, no. Let me turn out the radio.
What are these? Are these dinosaurs? He closed the window. Close the curtain.
I'm sorry.
Is that a cow?
Yeah, I understand.
Look, we've got trouble here at the park.
It's so hard with everything going in such a world.
I know.
I wish everything would just settle down for a... And, oh, listen! Complete silence!
That's what I mean. Something's up. It's been too quiet around here lately.
Oh, what do you mean? Oh, no! Oh.
What is happening?
Quiet around here lately.
Oh, what do you mean? Oh, no! Oh.
Is that a baby?
Daddy, no. Go. Go. Daddy, no. Go. I know. They like to watch me, though. Please. No. Daddy has to work. Now go see Mommy. Go see Mommy.
You shouldn't have your children here with the dinosaurs in them.
Good point.
That was my best impression. Look.
Very nice.
Is it a zombie?
I'm gonna drop the power on the gate so we can go out into the jungle.
All right.
What?
Don't play with your mother. I got the wrong switch. Listen, now the electricity is flowing through it. And now it's not. It worked. There's still a little bit of electricity in there.
I just need to know what sound she thinks she's making. I need to hear from her. I need to hear from Diane and I forgot the other lady. Like, what noises do they think they're sounding like? Because I think they're missing the mark. What?
Help me with it.
Listen, it sounds like really heavy foot. You're on the moped, look out! Get away! There's a Tyrannosaurus right behind you, you stupid!
Are they little people? This is like, are they little people?
Bigger. Oh, thank God the chopper's here.
That chopper's going down. Get out the way.
Lift us up with those tiny propellers. Quiet. Raptors.
Why are they beeping?
They seem pretty peaceful.
This is so stupid.
Could be worse than that.
Perhaps we should go out there ourselves and have a look around.
Not unprotected, we won't.
I'll just cock it.
Clean that one out. That one is dusty.
Away from me.
The Jeep went away. The Jeep drove on by. The Jeep left. The Jeep was already started. Those ladies had no idea where they were. I think they just didn't hear the topic. I think they missed the topic. That was great. That was so good. This is the best show on television. Like, are y'all kidding? I have a headache. I gotta go. Have the day you deserve.